Here we have the ColorKing replacement toner cartridges, the 414A model. These are replacements for some versions of HP printers. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. So if you're not sure if these are going to work with your printer, you're going to want to consult the listing page just to make sure that this will work with your printer. And this will work with certain HP printers, so consult the listing page. So let's open up and see what we get in here. On the front, you got some instructions here. These are basically just instructions that tell you how to replace the cartridge. If you've got a cartridge printer, you already know how to replace the cartridge. And it has some directions here with some useful information on here. Cartridge has a recycled HP chip on it. So these are using recycled HP chips according to the literature. This comes very nicely boxed and protected in styrofoam, and it has 4 color variations in here: black, cyan, yellow, and magenta. So let's take this on. So look at that. Yeah, so each of these cartridges is individually wrapped, which is nice. Just like you're used to. It's got the pull tab on here and the other pull tab. Here's what one of these cartridges looks like, just so you can see if it might be compatible with yours. Again, you're going to want to check the listing on there though. Just to get a measurement ID on here, the bottom plate on this is 11 inches long. Another measurement you can use to see if it's compatible. And like I said, these are very nicely packed here. I've got the, what is this one? Blue, yellow, black, and oh my gosh, is this going to be the magenta one? It is. I knew it. It's the magenta one. All these things come with all the proper tabs on here, not pulled. Apparently there's a recycled HP chip in each of these to give you a nice, affordable replacement version. So this thing will print roughly up to 2,400 pages. Should be good for anything. One of the things you should note when you get these is that since it's a replacement and it's using a recycled HP chip, you might have a constant indication that you have low toner. So you don't need to worry about that. You might have prompts that say the cartridge is low, so you don't have to worry about that. When the color starts to fade, you'll know it's time to change these. If you're looking for a good, affordable set of replacement toner cartridges for your version of HP printer, which you're going to want to check on here, check out the ColorKing 414A.